Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English. Shark. A large fish that has sharp teeth and a pointed fin on its back. Repeat. Shark. Shark. Usage examples. Shark. He has a fear of sharks. The shark attacked the surfer. The great white shark is an endangered species. To swim with sharks. To move through water using your arms and legs in the presence of sharks. Repeat. To swim with sharks. To swim with sharks. Usage examples. To swim with sharks. He's not afraid to swim with sharks. She learned to swim with sharks at a young age. You need to be careful when you decide to swim with sharks. Shark sighting. An occasion when a shark is seen. Repeat. Shark sighting. Shark sighting. Usage examples. Shark sighting. A shark sighting is a rare event in this area. He reported the shark sighting to the local authorities. The shark sighting caused panic among the swimmers. Shark attack. An incident in which a shark bites or injures a person or another animal. Repeat. Shark attack. Shark attack. Usage examples. Shark attack. The surfer survived a shark attack. The beach was closed after a shark attack. He has a fear of shark attacks after watching the movie Jaws. There has been an increase in shark attacks this year. Shark bite. An injury caused when a shark closes its jaws on a person or animal. Repeat. Shark bite. Shark bite. Usage examples. Shark bite. The surfer survived a shark bite. A shark bite can be fatal if not treated immediately. He has a scar from a shark bite. The shark bite victim was rushed to the hospital. Shark fin. One of the flat body parts of a shark used for balance and movement in water, including the one sticking out of the back of the shark. Repeat. Shark fin. Shark fin. Usage examples. Shark fin. He saw a shark fin protruding from the water. The shark fin was the only part of the animal visible above the water. The soup was made with shark fin. The shark fin is a delicacy in some cultures. Shark tooth. One of the hard, sharp structures in a shark's mouth used to catch and cut food. Repeat. Shark tooth. Shark tooth. Usage examples. Shark tooth. A shark tooth can be very sharp. He found a shark tooth on the beach. The shark tooth is a symbol of strength. Shark cage. A strong metal structure used by divers to observe sharks in their natural environment while being protected. Repeat. Shark cage. Shark cage. Usage examples. Shark cage. A shark cage is used for safe observation of sharks. He was terrified to go into the shark cage. The shark cage was made of strong steel bars. She took pictures of the sharks from inside the shark cage. Shark infested. Full of sharks. Repeat. Shark infested. Shark infested. Usage examples. Shark infested. The fishermen avoided the shark-infested area. Warning signs marked the shark-infested beach. The divers carefully explored a shark-infested reef. Fishermen know which waters are shark-infested during the summer. Shark Tank. A large aquarium in which sharks are kept, often for public display. Repeat. Shark Tank. Shark Tank. Usage examples. Shark Tank. The shark tank at the aquarium is the most popular attraction. We spent a long time observing the sharks swimming inside the shark tank. The diver carefully entered the shark tank to feed the sharks. Shark. A person who aggressively and unfairly exploits others, especially in business or financial situations. Repeat. Shark. Shark. Usage examples. Shark. He is known as a shark in the business world. You need to be careful with him. He's a real shark. She became a shark in the industry after years of hard work. I don't want to be a shark. I prefer to be fair. Loan shark. A person who lends money illegally or unfairly at extremely high interest rates. Repeat. Loan shark. Loan shark. Usage examples. Loan shark. The loan shark was arrested for illegal lending and extortion. John borrowed money from a loan shark, and now he can't pay it back. The loan shark threatened him when he couldn't make his payments. Vocabulary recap. Shark. To swim with sharks. Shark sighting. Shark attack. Shark bite. Shark fin. Shark tooth. Shark cage. Shark infested. Shark Tank. Shark, person. Loan shark. This is a brand new channel. Help us improve. What can we do better? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.